Welcome, here I've got EssentielB HeYou60 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and slide to the left to more, so we get access to more modes of this camera and also this left side button. So let's pick it. Here we can open the advanced camera settings, and now at the first place we have the picture size option. So let's tap on it and we can decide about our quality of the picture connected with aspect ratio. So let me focus maybe on aspect ratio, because this is the difference we can see by our eyes. We are in 4:3, let's move to 1:1, and when we go back to the camera we can see that the background has changed to the square one. Once again, let's go to more, to the left side button, to the picture size, and pick now 16:9 aspect ratio. And in the camera preview, now we have the longer background. And when we go back to more, to the left button, to the picture size, we can also pick the full screen aspect ratio. So now we have the full camera frame here. We can change this also in a short access by going to the left corner. So also when we tap here, we can pick between these four ratios. Let's go back to 4:3, and it also should change in the settings from the left and in the picture size. But I want to show you that the only way to get access to the best possible quality of our picture is here by using the settings 48 megapixels with 4:3. So when we tap here, we don't have the short access, we have only this quality with 4:3 aspect ratio. We can tap to this X letter button in left corner to go back to standard quality and standard view. And that's all. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.